planning a family trip and wondering about the best things to do in Phoenix with kids? You're in luck. This desert city is packed with jaw-dropping attractions, hands-on museums, wild parks, and spots your little ones will talk about for years. From outdoor adventures to indoor magic, we've rounded up the top 20 things to do, plus 5 amazing places to eat that everyone will enjoy. Number 20, Wildlife World Zoo and Aquarium. Jumpstart your Phoenix adventure with a full-on wildlife experience. The Wildlife World Zoo and Aquarium hosts Arizona's largest collection of exotic animals, including lions, zebras, and kangaroos, along with a walk-through aquarium. Ride the skylift, hand-feed giraffes, and catch penguins at feeding time. Whether your children love furry, feathered, or finned creatures, this spot delivers a day full of wow moments. 19. Hall of Flame Fire Museum. Located in the heart of Phoenix, this one-of-a-kind museum honors real-life heroes with vintage fire engines, firefighter gear, and fire rescue history going back over 300 years. Interactive displays let young visitors climb aboard trucks, try on gear, and even hear an old siren triggered by staff. Expect wide eyes and big smiles as they explore the fiery world of emergency response. 18. Seda Vaaki Museum, Pueblo Grande Museum and Archaeology Park. Step into ancient history at this archaeological site showcasing real Hohokam ruins just minutes from downtown. Kids can roam through ancient canals, wander through replica dwellings, and enjoy hands-on exhibits designed for young learners. It's not your typical museum stop. This one sparks imagination and curiosity in every young adventurer who visits. 17. Castles and Coasters. Thrill seekers, this one's for you. Castles and Coasters is Phoenix's go-to amusement spot, packed with roller coasters, bumper boats, mini golf, and a massive arcade. Soar through loops on the Desert Storm Coaster or battle your way through 18 holes of mini golf surrounded by palm trees and waterfalls. The colorful, fast-paced atmosphere delivers non-stop fun for families who love a little chaos with their laughter. 16. Six Flags Hurricane Harbor Phoenix. When the desert sun turns up the heat, Hurricane Harbor is the ultimate cool-down. This giant water park features towering slides, relaxing lazy rivers, splash zones, and a wave pool that feels like the beach. Little swimmers can enjoy gentler rides, and older adventurers can brave the extreme plunges. Mellow floats and high-speed drops keep the energy up for every age. Number 15. Sea Life, Arizona. Tucked inside Arizona Mills Mall, Sea Life Arizona immerses guests in the deep blue with tunnels, touch tanks, and awe-inspiring displays. Glide past sharks overhead, see clownfish up close, and gently pet a sea star. The colorful tanks and engaging exhibits create a calm, magical world where curiosity comes to life. 14. Golfland Sunsplash. Located in Mesa, Golfland Sunsplash is a double-duty destination with water park thrills and amusement-style excitement all in one spot. Spend the day sliding through water tubes, floating along the lazy river, or dodging geysers in splash zones built for maximum energy release. As the sun sets, shift gears to laser tag, mini golf, and arcade challenges that keep the excitement going well into the evening. This all-ages paradise turns an ordinary day into an epic outing. 13. Herd Museum. In the center of Phoenix lies a powerful tribute to native cultures, the Herd Museum. Through immersive exhibits, visitors explore the traditions, stories, and artwork of indigenous communities across the Southwest. Children can follow story paths, see dazzling dance regalia, and even take part in creative hands-on activities. Every exhibit invites thoughtful exploration and helps families connect with Arizona's deeper cultural roots. 12th. Butterfly Wonderland. Step inside this Scottsdale conservatory and you're transported to a tropical paradise teeming with color. Thousands of butterflies flit among exotic plants, while transparent walls let you watch them emerge from cocoons in real time. Educational displays, a 3D theater, and the serene butterfly atrium make it one of the most enchanting and calming family experiences in the region. 11. Legoland Discovery Center. Inside Arizona Mills Mall, this indoor playground is every Lego lover's dream come true. Build race cars and test them on fast tracks, dive into creative zones filled with bricks, and marvel at tiny Lego versions of Arizona's most famous landmarks. A 4D cinema adds wind, rain, and surprises to every animated short, while themed rides and a toddler zone keep young visitors fully entertained. Every corner sparks imagination. Number 10. Encanto Park and Enchanted Island Amusement Park. Encanto Park is a historic gem right in central Phoenix, blending old-school charm with family-friendly activities. Glide across the lagoon in a pedal boat, enjoy tree-shaded picnic spots, or let little ones roam the expansive playgrounds. Tucked inside is Enchanted Island, a mini amusement park featuring gentle rides like a pint-sized roller coaster and a kiddie train. This calm, cheerful setting offers an ideal break from the city's busier attractions. 9. Arizona Museum of Natural History. Dinosaurs, mummies, and ancient cultures all collide at this captivating Mesa Museum. Check out fossils, pan for gold, and journey through recreated Southwest dwellings. Young paleontologists can dig in the dinosaur boneyard or pass a roaring T-Rex. The mix of exhibits and interactive elements makes it a must-see for young explorers and science lovers alike. 8. Phoenix Zoo. Spread across 125 acres, the Phoenix Zoo is home to more than 3,000 animals, from Asian elephants to Andean bears. Follow themed trails like the Arizona Trail or the Tropics, hop aboard the Safari Cruiser, or cool off at the splash pad near the petting zoo. Daily keeper chats and animal encounters make this visit more than just a walk. It's a journey into the wild for every age group. Number 7. McCormick-Stillman Railroad Park. Train lovers all aboard. This outdoor park in Scottsdale celebrates everything rail-related, from life-size locomotives to detailed model train exhibits. Families can ride the miniature train, take a spin on the historic carousel, and relax in grassy areas with picnic snacks. The playful mix of movement, history, and open-air charm keeps everyone smiling from station to station. 6. Papago Park, Hole in the Rock. Rising above the desert landscape, Hole in the Rock offers one of the most surprising and scenic views in Phoenix. A short, easy trail leads to this unique sandstone formation with a natural window overlooking the city. Arrive just before sunset and you'll be rewarded with epic skyline colors, a desert breeze, and snapshots you'll want to frame. Number 5. Arizona Science Center. Step into a space where science becomes play. The Arizona Science Center features 4 levels of engaging exhibits that let families explore everything from electricity to anatomy. You can feel the rumble of an earthquake, fly through space in the Dorrance Planetarium, or tinker in the Create Makerspace. The experience is loud, interactive, and constantly surprising. A perfect blend of playing and learning. 4. Children's Museum of Phoenix. Inside this converted schoolhouse, every room is packed with color, movement, and creativity. Children can build forts, climb through tunnels, shop at a pretend grocery store, and make messy masterpieces in the art studio. Designed for unstructured play, the space allows imaginations to run wild without limits. It's a sensory-rich wonderland built for open-ended fun and tactile experiences. 3. Desert Botanical Garden. Set in the heart of Papago Park, this vibrant garden showcases the bold beauty of desert plants. Kids can wander past towering cacti, peer into butterfly exhibits, and spot hummingbirds weaving through blooms. Sculptures and art installations add visual surprises around every corner. The combination of color, space, and wildlife makes this stop surprisingly engaging for nature-loving families. 2. Musical Instrument Museum. This one surprises almost everyone. The Musical Instrument Museum showcases instruments and music from nearly every country on the planet. Put on the provided headphones, and as you walk through each gallery, the instruments start to play automatically. Strum a harp, bang a gong, or test a theremin in the hands-on room. For music lovers and curious minds alike, it's an unforgettable sound adventure. Number 1. ODC Aquarium. At the top of the list is an underwater journey like no other. ODC Aquarium spans multiple floors of aquatic wonder, including rotating theater exhibits, walk-through tunnels, and close-up encounters with sharks and stingrays. Watch sea otters play, explore tide pools, and take in massive tanks teeming with colorful marine life. Its size, layout, and immersive design make this the ultimate family experience in Phoenix. After exploring all that Phoenix has to offer, it's time to refuel with some incredible food. Let's continue with 5 of Phoenix's best kid-friendly restaurants. Rustler's Roost. This mountaintop steakhouse is part restaurant, part Western adventure. Kids love the indoor slide and live music, while grown-ups enjoy sizzling steaks and desert views that stretch for miles. It's equal parts hearty and unforgettable. The farm at South Mountain, Morning Glory Cafe. A shady pecan grove sets the scene for farm-to-table dining in a peaceful outdoor setting. Morning Glory Cafe serves family-friendly breakfast surrounded by nature. Think pancakes, fresh eggs, and lots of open space to explore. Joe's Farm Grill. Located in a converted mid-century home, this casual spot dishes up locally sourced burgers, fries, and shakes. Families can eat outside under the trees and watch tractors roll by. It's comfort food with a backyard vibe. Organ Stop Pizza. Located in Mesa, this pizza joint delivers dinner and a show with the world's largest Wurlitzer organ. As you eat, live organ music fills the hall with Disney tunes and movie themes. It's loud, quirky, and totally unforgettable. Hangar Cafe. Tucked inside Chandler Municipal Airport, this aviation-themed diner lets you watch small planes take off as you enjoy breakfast. Big flapjacks, country-style eggs, and an unbeatable runway view make it a favorite with locals and travelers alike. If you found this video helpful and want to discover more about the Grand Canyon State, don't miss our video featuring the 22 best places to visit in Arizona. Love discovering hidden gems and top family spots? Smash that like button, subscribe for more travel adventures, and drop your favorite Phoenix memory in the comments. We'd love to hear it.